Welcome back to another update video. So before we get started into my portfolio, we're currently on trading 2 and 2. If you use the link below in the description, you can get free shares up to £100. With those free shares, you can do whatever you like. Keep them, sell them, buy more shares, withdraw the money, completely up to you. So let's get into the video. So here's my portfolio on the left hand side, pretty much what it looks like at the moment. So we're currently at £20,520. The last 24 hours were up £5, just shy 6. The cash, you can see there, I got £7 and £41 in free cash, and that is my allowance left in my that I'm allowed to invest into my ISA pretty much. So my portfolio itself, as you can see there, that's the total, and since I've been investing, that's how much money I've basically made in gains, £4,374. So it's up 35%. So what I've invested, all the stocks, that's currently how my portfolio is doing. As you see there, 1 year up 13%, year to date it's up 6%, the last 3 months 2%, last month 1%, last 1 week I'm currently down today. But all we care about is the long gains, and as you see there, that is the long gain. So let's see what stocks I hold, how they're performing, and then we'll look at dividends later on in the video, so keep on watching to see how much money I've made from dividends. ISA allowance, as you see there, that's currently what I've invested so far this year, and that is what's remaining. A lot of these stocks you'll see are in pies. That's just due to where I can have auto invest turned on and forget about it. So ticker symbol O, I have £5,200 in that. It's currently down £9. This pays me monthly, and it's on auto invest. And every month it pays me roughly about £20 now, which gets auto invested straight back into it. So as you see there, auto invest. Since I've been investing in this, I've made £525 in dividends, which got reinvested straight back into it. QILP, this is another monthly payer. This is a UK version of QILD. That's currently down £60, but as you see there, £566 I've made in dividends, which got reinvested straight back into it. The plan with this one is once the dividends get to a certain amount, I will then turn this off and then use the dividends to bolster like the S&P 500 or something like that. So this is something I'm building. I think I'm just over £20 a month now with QILP. Dividend growth every month. This is basically a load of stocks that pay dividends, but they're mainly growth stocks. As you can see there, it doesn't pay much dividends, but I'm here for the growth of the stocks itself. The stocks in this pie is Dr. Pepper, Lowe's, Procter & Gamble, Pepsi, Apple, Johnson & Johnson, Starbucks, Google, and AbbVie. So as you see there, that pie is currently up £285, so over 15% in profits so far. As you see, most of them are consumable companies, so everyday stuff you buy from these companies pretty much. So that is doing pretty well. The global S&P 500 covered calls. This is a covered call ETF. Again, it pays me monthly. This is one I'm using to bolster my portfolio a lot quicker. So this money I held in free cash, So I had £2,000 in free cash, and it was paying me like 60 pence a day interest, which worked out to be, I don't know, like £2 a week, something like that. And I was earning like just shy of £10 a month. But buying into this now, I earn, I think it's £24 a month now from dividends. So basically, I'm just using this to bolster portfolio, and it's also performing pretty well at the moment. Currently up £30. This is the FTSE All World High Dividend, which is currently up £155, just shy of 9%. Again, this pays dividends, which is there. I've made £172 so far, which I got reinvested straight back into it. Gladstone, this is a big loss, currently down £107. This holds 4 Gladstone companies, all pay monthly dividends. So you've got capital, commercial, investment, and land. Investment's doing pretty well, currently up, but the rest of them are the massive losses. Again, this is just auto invest turned on. Then we go to SP 500, which is currently up £160, 16%. Auto invest is turned on. Again, it's not paying much, but I'm here for the growth of this. Like I said, this is one I'll be bolstering a lot coming in the future. Microsoft is another growth stock I hold. Currently up £200, 26%. As you see there, dividends is on. I've only earned £18 from Microsoft, but what I'm after is the growth. So as you can see there, I'm up £200. So I'm just holding this with the growth wise. Same with Coca-Cola, same as Microsoft. It's just a company I'm holding for the long term. As you see here, Coca-Cola, £174 in profit, 22.5% in the green. Just saying I'm holding long term. Main Street, this was something I'd done a while ago. I was investing £1 every day into Main Street just to see how it performed. As you see, I made £112 from dividends, which got reinvested straight back into it. I haven't touched this recently. I've moved on to a different stock for now, but again, this pays me monthly dividends, which gets reinvested straight back into it. Renewable energy. This is a UK renewable energy pie, currently down £3, just 1%. Basically holds Octopus Renewable, Next Energy Solar, and then Greencoat Wind. So these are just 3 top UK renewable energies. It's just something I'm investing into because obviously renewable energy is quite a big thing in the world at the moment. Bank of America, that's up £100. I haven't touched this for God knows how long. I hold 6 shares, and like I said, as you can see there, I'm up £101. Algen, so this is Legal & General, pretty much doing the same things what I've done with Main Street. Every day I'm investing £1 into this pie, and auto invest is turned on. As you see, I've only just started this, and we're currently earned £6 in dividends, which has got reinvested straight back into it. Lloyds Bank, this is something I have auto invest on. So every Friday I invest £2 into Lloyds Bank, currently in the green of £19. And as you see there, I've started earning dividends from this, £3, which got reinvested straight back into it. AMD, so Advanced Micro Devices. I haven't touched this since the AI boom. Currently up £98, so 188%. That is huge. So this is just something I'm leaving and just letting it grow in the background. Tesla, same thing. I bought this and I've just left it. If it hits red, I buy more, but while it's in the green, I just leave it, keep growing. BA Systems, just with the state of the world currently, it's always good to have some money in defence, and BA Systems is one of them, and we're currently up £7, so just over 10%. Amazon, again, another great company just to have some kind of stocks in, currently up £15, 37%. Again, if these companies, if they hit red, I invest into them, but while they're green, I just leave them and let them grow. If they do pay dividends, I'll reinvest it back into the company, but I'm here just for the growth. Another AI one, pretty much I bought in the boom. I did sell it, so I had like £200 in this, and I was up like 100%. I think I sold my profit and then kept the rest in. So I sold the profit, bought into like S&P 500 or something like that, and then we're still up 17%, just over £6. This is a new one, JP Morgan. Again, just over 89, 0.86%, so like, or pence, so just over 2% in the green. I trickle money into this when I can. It will be something I bolster in the future. And then we got these two defense ones again at the bottom, up 4%, Rolls Royce 41%, and then General Dynamics is up £2.25. So let's jump over and see what my dividends are looking like. So here we are. Jump up to my dividends. So ever since I've been investing, currently my third year, so far I've made over £2,160 in dividends. Obviously the month of June has only just happened, so JP Morgan paid me 35p, which got reinvested straight back into it. BA Systems, £96p. I wish it was £96, that'd be amazing. Reinvested straight back into it. Legal & General, £6 invested straight back into it. So that's all I've received so far in the month of June. But let's quickly look at May. May was a big one. Gladstone Investment, £1.53. Commercial, £1.87. Land, £1.20. All this got reinvested straight back into that Gladstone pie. Starbucks, £1.17, which got invested into that dividend growth. And then we got Octopus Energy, £1, and obviously another one for £1.55, which went into the renewable energy pie. Lloyds Bank, £3, which got reinvested straight back into Lloyds. The 15th is my monthly paying day pretty much, so Main Street paid me £4, went straight back into Main Street. Ticker symbol O, £19, which went straight back into ticker symbol O. Procter & Gamble, AbbVie, £2, £1.10, went into my dividend growth pie. And then we got the S&P 500 cover call, which was £17. And then the QLP paid me £23. So 15th of every month is pretty big normally with all these money coming in. Apple paid me 20p. General Dynamics 5p. JP Morgan 14p. Lowe's 73p. And then that was it pretty much. So May was a pretty good month all around. So you can see where all this now will just keep trickle feeding in. So like Legal & General, £6, reinvested straight back into it. That £6 probably bought me God knows how many that bought me. What was it? 4th of June. Let's see if we can have a look. 4th of June. So it bought me 2 shares. So that dividend come in and it bought me 2 shares. Obviously those 2 shares pay dividends. So next time that'll be like £6.45 maybe. And you can see how it just doubles, doubles and doubles. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and I'll see you in the next video.